Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial video, we're going to teach you step by step how you can create a table for your documents and spreadsheets on Google Sheets really quickly. So let us get started. So guys, head over to your spreadsheet on Google Sheets, and as you can see, I prepared a list or two columns with values like that, with party guest names and the financial contribution here to the right. And now let's say I would like to turn this into a professionally looking table. This is how you can do it, guys. Simply highlight the entire set of data, which is this column and that one as well. And after that, head over to Format here at the top and select Convert to Table. Here you may also use the shortcut Ctrl-Alt-T for that if you like. So let me do that. And as you can see now, these sets of data have been converted into a professionally looking table. You may, for example, rename it here at the top or customize it through the table menu here below, like for example, apply a header color, table formatting, for example. Delete the table, of course, revert to your unformatted data, so to the previous version, and so on and so forth. By clicking on this plus button here, you may, for example, insert more rows as well as columns. So that's basically it, guys. That's how I do it. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.